Right, we got a room tour of room 608 at New York, New York. You walk in and you have the bathroom right here, single sink, and the shower. Decent size, and they have a little shelf for your stuff. That's nice if you don't want to use the community shampoo and conditioner. They have some coat hooks here for your jackets, full-length mirror, and then this curtain, which I'm gonna open that in a second. Here's the bed, king size. This is the king Soho room. They got another full-length mirror right here. You can check your outfit. And a little hanging space, some more hanging space, ironing board and iron. Got your safe down here. Little end table, the lamps. Got the dresser, and you got a bench right here to put on your shoes. Good sized TV, actually. Really good sized TV. Got the little bar area with the ice bucket, and we have our snacks. And I got excited for a second, so I thought, oh, maybe a fridge, but no, empty. So, womp womp. All right, and this is our view. Oh, we also have a little table and 2 chairs. That's good for 2 people. This is the view, though. We're kind of on the corner here. We are all the way down at the end of the hall. Got a view of Excalibur, the airport, and the roller coaster. We've already heard a lot of people screaming as they go down that hill right there. And behind the TV, we have a whole wall of curtains, and I was very curious about what was all there. And apparently, it's not the easiest thing to do, but you can open it up, and you have a whole wall of windows here too. So if you wanted, you can see the mountains back there. You could open all this up and get another little view. There's a little peekaboo view of New York sign over there. And it looks like these would go all the way. I haven't tried it yet. Let's see what happens here. Well, maybe not all the way. Okay, it goes that far on this side. And I believe I can even open it from this side. Oh, there goes the roller coaster. Let's see. Yep, there we are. Look, there goes the roller coaster. Oh, and around. I don't know if you can hear them screaming, but yeah, so we have 2 sides of windows that can open all the way for a view. It's pretty interesting. So that is the Soho King at New York, New York. It'll work. There's one more view out here of these giant windows over here in the room.